Maheiroi-Singga Oja-Singga matam pumbada pukchel khoizentinana amadi Aphaba mari Thamduna Loinaba Mathou tai haina IIIT Manipur gi Director Professor Krishnan Bhaskar phongdokrei. Ministry of Education gi meeting makhada National Institute of Technology NIT Manipur amasung Indian Institute of Information Technology Design and Manufacturing IITDM Kanchipuram na punna sinduna Capacity Building Program on Design and Entrepreneurship CBDE gi matangda numit nini chupna chathagadaba Pedagogy and Orientation Workshop AY Inglisingani kunmanga kuntaruk ngasi Hotel Imphal gi sangai holda hogdokre thauramadu da wangang laduna IIIT Manipur gi Director Professor Krishnan Bhaskarna anauba wakhalon puthokpa ngamnanaba Maheiroi-Singda wahang hangbagi hainabi lehengadabani leibaga sigi leiriba education system asi atopa malem gi atai leibak singa yengnarubada asuki matik thak wangba ama oiri adubo higher education gi lamdadi infrastructure gi awat balaibana fangningliba pandam adu fangbangam dana leiri leibaga sidana ha kaya thabak fangdabagi chang wangiba si higher education system da ashon ba leibagini haibada haiman bathogloi malem gi thakta ahongba kaya lakliba asida yawba ngamnanaba higher education system da theory khaknatana practical experience amadi skill hangat hanaba Maheiroi-Singbu lamjing bigadabani anau ba wakhalon sing puthokpa ngamnanaba Maheiroi-Singda wahang hangbagi hainabi lehansi haike.
For any development, any harmony and peace, there should be a good opportunity for the employment. And I think those kind of things also will evolve in the coming years. And I congratulate Professor Varadarajan for taking at a national level initiatives, particularly to have these kind of capacity building programs on design and entrepreneurship. I'm sure that all the participants, the faculty members and students will get benefited. And I request all of you to make use of your mentors and resource persons so that you will get maximum benefit out of them, and so that you all become a resource persons and mentors in the coming days.
Workshop aduga mari lainana CBDE gi Principal Investigator Dr. Ngangbam Romezi amadi Co-Principal Investigator Dr. Wangkhairakpam Vandana anina phongdorakpada technology gi lamda changliba Maheiroi-Singna mari lainaba lairik adu khaktamak tamba khak yade lairik te yauriba kaya adu thabak oina onthoknanaba honaba changi masingamnanaba gi damak akhang ahi kaya kauduna khana naina honanaba asigumba workshop asi pangthokpani haike.
Like to Yadaba, like the Tamil Embassy, engineering background, somehow the Queen of Garima Simba, like a drone Simba, drone have smart agriculture, with the sensor of the Isin Chahemba, and the robot Masava, the drone, the medical facility, the Yumda, safety Hangalamba, Asuma, traffic the Queen of sensor design of accident of Altonba, Suma Mammas and implement of whatever Mamma technological, Tamil Tamiba, research of Embassy, research into use Haikar, as Masi Matin Panava. Si program si Ministry of Education na kung thang lokot pani.
Ako'y na implementation taunabagi damakta workshop kaya ama organize tawbagi request model standard da propose tawga thazagi ba matamda yam haraw tiyam na shortlist tawbirakpa aduga Manipur gi damakta program director masamak laktuna ako'y gi program asi inauguration da yawbiraga ako'y miyambu enlighten tawhandoi habidi asi program asibu successfully implement tawba matamda ako'y gi changgadaba thaudang mayamdo ngasi program sida takwi tambiramgani adugi tamakta khoina we are looking forward to that.